In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for YouTube scripts. If you're writing tutorials, reviews, or storytelling videos, Grammarly can help you make your message clear, engaging, and easy to follow. Start by opening Grammarly in the way that's most convenient for you. You can use the desktop app for a focused workspace, the browser version if you're already working online, or the Grammarly editor if you want a clean, distraction-free canvas. Once it's open, you're ready to bring in your script. Create a new document, or paste your existing YouTube script into the editor. If you're copying from another tool, paste as plain text when possible to keep things tidy. You'll see your script appear in the main window, with a sidebar ready to guide you. Next, choose your writing goal. For YouTube scripts, this small step makes a big difference. If your video is delivering facts or updates, pick Inform. If you're aiming for energy and entertainment, go with Entertain. If you're teaching a process or breaking down a concept, select Explain. This tells Grammarly how to shape its suggestions so your script matches your intent and audience expectations. Now, review the suggestions that appear. Grammarly highlights grammar for correctness, clarity for conciseness and structure, and tone to match your vibe. Think of these as a roadmap, not rules. Check misused words, punctuation, and tricky phrasing. For clarity, look for opportunities to shorten long sentences, remove filler, and keep key points front and center. For tone, make sure your voice sounds natural and consistent with your channel. Click through the suggestions to refine flow and readability. You can accept, ignore, or edit each one, and it's smart to read the full sentence out loud in your head before making a choice. If a suggestion tightens your point without losing personality, keep it. If it makes you sound unlike yourself, adjust it instead. Aim for sentences that are direct, varied in length, and easy to deliver aloud. As you make changes, Grammarly will update in real time, so you can polish as you go. When you're happy with the result, copy the polished script and paste it into YouTube or your preferred editor. Double-check that line breaks and formatting look right where you'll be reading it. Save a clean copy so you can reference it later or adapt it for descriptions, captions, or shorts. And that's it. Open Grammarly, add your script, set your goal, refine with suggestions, and paste it where you need it for a professional, ready-to-record read.